Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am making chicken spring rolls. Let's see what are the ingredients we need. 300 grams chicken, 200 ml water to poach the chicken, 200 grams onion, 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, 2 green chilies, pinch of turmeric, 2 cloves, 2 cardamom, 1 tablespoon tomato puree, 35 grams bell pepper, 2 tablespoons of oil, 1 teaspoon soya sauce, salt to taste, filo paste sheets. First I am going to start with poaching the chicken. To this I am taking small pot. Keep the chicken in, add your water, turmeric powder, cloves and cardamom into it. Let it to boil. Make sure to turn another side and keep boiling so each side chicken will cook properly. Once it's done, take off the chicken from the pot, shredder the chicken into small pieces. In a separate pan, pour some oil, add your onion, saute it a little bit, and then add green chilies and green pepper. Mix well. You can see onion gets into the transparent color. Now I am adding the pinch of salt, then ginger garlic paste, saute it a little bit, and add your tomato puree. Fry for 1-2 minutes. Now add your shredded chickens and mix well thoroughly. Once it mixed properly, I am adding soya sauce. I took light soya sauce here. Once you add the soya sauce, try to press the chicken little by little while you are mixing it. It helps to absorb the flavors to the chicken. And finally I am adding coriander leaves. Once you add the coriander leaves, you don't need to cook for a long, just 1 minute more than enough. Once all the filling done, let it to cool down. While it cooling down, I am cracking 1 egg here with a fork. Give it a good whisk and keep it to the side. Now I am taking filo paste sheet. Bring your filling to the bottom of the corner. In this size of teaspoon, I am filling 1.5. I start to roll from the bottom corner to the middle. Just try to roll it tightly. Then I am bringing right corner to the center and the same way left corner to the center. And again from the bottom I start to roll it very tightly. It helps to reduce the oil amount goes through the filo pastry. Then now I am sealing with the beaten egg. Make sure to seal properly without any gaps. This is the way I was completed all my spring rolls here. Once it's done, I am covered with a clean flame. We are going to deep fry the spring rolls. Bring a correct size pan to deep fry. Pour the oil and bring it to the correct temperature. Add your spring rolls one by one. Make sure to turn other side as well. You can see little by little the color was changing. It's easy to make. I have added a less spices so kids can have it too. When it comes to the golden brown color, take off from the heat. Make sure to lay out the kitchen towel onto the plate. It helps to drain all the excess oil. Finally, I am laying out onto the serving plate. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you in my next video. Please stay tuned to my channel. Until then, bye from Chef Fatima Chef Naz.